everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're not cooking any meal, but we're going to be talking about another topic, which is the COVID-19 known as the coronavirus. Today I'm going to show you 5 main steps how to protect yourself and to protect the others from coronavirus. So the first step, I'm gonna show you how to wash your hand the proper way. So make sure it's warm water, and you're gonna wet your hand first, and you put the soap and you start rubbing your hand, and try to wash your hand as far as you can go near the elbow. And the most important in your hand, what you use in your hand, is the fingertips and the thumbs. So the best way to wash your fingertips and around the nails is you put your hand together like this and rub it for a few seconds. And when you're done, you rinse your hand. And when you close the water, always close it with the towel or the paper towel you are drying your hand with. Don't retouch it with your hand. Step number 2, it's the latex glove or the exam glove. So these are very important to have one of these boxes in your car all the time. You go out for shopping, for grocery, to the gas station, and example, you stop at the gas station to fill up gas. You hold the nozzles, you fill up gas, you put it back, and you take the gloves out and you throw it in the garbage right away before you enter your car. You go to the grocery store, you touch the cart, or you go inside, you touch the fruit, you touch the vegetable, you touch the meat packages. And can you imagine how many people touch those? How many thousands of hands touch those things every day? And as soon as you leave the stores, you make sure you put all your shopping in the trunk, and as soon as you're done, you take off your gloves and you throw it in the garbage, and then you enter your car, little hand sanitizer, and you're good to go. Step number 3 is the hand sanitizers. And now if you have the hand sanitizers, very important for the hand sanitizer to be 60% alcohol and above. Now let me talk quick about this. Vodka, whiskey, a drink made from anise, arak, whatever it is. People going crazy on buying those stuff, and trust me, does not help you, does not stop coronavirus, does not protect you from coronavirus. The best thing these drinks can do for you, the vodka and whatever it is to drink it and make you forget about coronavirus overnight or for a few hours. And now let's talk about the hand sanitizer. So as I said, if you have the hand sanitizers, make sure it's over 60%. If not, I'm gonna show you how to make your own. And there's one thing I forgot to mention in the second step, which is when you wear your gloves, you go to the grocery store, try not to touch your face or scratch your face or anything like that. So to make your own sanitizer, you need a rubbing alcohol, and the rubbing alcohol here must be over 90%. So let me show you this one here, this rubbing alcohol. It's a 95%. I'll show it close to the camera. And the aloe vera, it's a 98% aloe vera. Some of them is diluted with something else. And what you need here, it's called essential oil. So you can have the flavor you want, not the flavor, the smell if you want it this way. And I have here the orange one. So let me show you quick homemade hand sanitizers and over 60%. So measuring cup, and we're going 2/3 with 1/3. So 95% multiply by 2/3, you will equal about 63.3% alcohol. So you're good to go, and it can kill the germs. So anything over 60%, you are good to use. So 2/3 of the cup rubbing alcohol. So that's 2/3 of the cup. And the aloe vera, it's 1/3 of the cup. Go in, and we're gonna mix it very well. And when it's almost done, we're gonna add the essential oil, and I have here the orange flavor. So about 5 to 7 drops. And as I said, you mix it very well so you won't see chunks inside. Voila. Here you go. And this is your homemade hand sanitizer. So make sure you rub your hand very well, and you keep rubbing till the hand sanitizer completely dried out. And what I show you how to use the latex gloves, can save you lots of hand sanitizer. So hand sanitizer will be only for emergency where you don't have access to the water and soap. So still, number one, it's you wash your hand with water and soap. Don't depend on the sanitizers only. And as I said again, don't touch your face, don't scratch your face before you sanitize your hand, or your hand super clean. Now we're gonna go to step 4. Step 4 is how to keep your home sanitized, and what's the most important to sanitize in your house. Now keeping the house clean and sanitized inside, not everything, but what you use the most. Now what I use here personally, I'm not doing any advertisement for this brand, but you can use any brand out there as long as it says it kills 99.9% of the germs. And this is the one here, it said 99. So all what you need here, just to fill up one small spray bottle from this here, and it'll last a long time. You enter your house, door handle, quick spray, quick wipe, doorknob, quick spray, quick wipe, fridge and freezer's handle, that's what we use the most, quick spray, quick nice wipe. And if you were like shopping for kitchen supply, let's say like this box here, you can use this wipe. It kills 99.9% of the germs as well. Easy to use. You wipe the box before you bring it home, and or if you buy any cans, quick wipe, ready to go in your on your shelf. Your computer, your cellular phone, your microwave, and very important, all the grocery store you buy, you store it, you put it in your trunk, don't put it inside your car. And when you get home, as soon as you get home, you put your fruit, your vegetable in the sink and a quick wash, and you are good to go to eat. Step number 5, if you're not feeling well. So if you're outdoors, and even if you see people displaying a symptom of the coronavirus, try to keep the distance away from them. And if this is you're not feeling well, please contact your doctor, isolate yourself at home. Try not to go to the public, try to stay away from the public, isolate yourself at home, I say it again. So this is the information I have, I'm sharing it with all of you guys out there. And if one piece of information, it helped one person in the world, I'll be more than happy. If you have more information, guys, please share it in the social media, share it on the YouTube. I'm pretty sure it's going to help someone out there. So for now, stay safe, guys, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.